Okay, hi there, my name's Eleri, by the way, and I'm working with Innovis, which is a sheep genetics company based in Aberystwyth, and my project is breeding lamb for better meat eating quality. The problem with this title is that to get a tasty lamb, you have to kill it, and therefore you can't breed from it. So firstly, we do a genetics trial by looking at the pedigree, which is the parentage of the lambs, and do a performance recorded study then. So we've done birth weight, 8-week weight, 16-week weights, and also ultrasonic back fat depth and muscle depth, which is measured at the loin. So what we did then, for these rams, we looked at the CT scans. So we CT scanned 120 of these lambs, and we're looking at muscle density, which is an in vivo measure of meat quality, as in intramuscular fat. So we've got a 5 high, 5 low rams, and these then were trained for AI, and we then mated these then with 230 North Country mule ewes. 405 lambs were then born out of this trial, and we're looking for 20 progeny per sire. So next then they were slaughtered, and we're looking at the primal weight, and in particular to get the yield. And I'm interested in the top side and the loin because these are the two most expensive parts of the lamb. And we did shear force measurements in IBERS in Aberystwyth. They did nutritional quality, colour. In SRUC, we've also done CT scanning of the loins, and in Bristol, we've done sensory trial work with a trained sensory panel. And this was looking at tenderness, juiciness, flavour, and overall likability. So preliminary results so far. We've found that the high muscle density progeny, these had higher carcass weight, higher killing out percentage, higher conformation, basically better muscling. This was located in the loin and the leg and produced a higher saleable meat yield. Low muscle density progeny, however, had higher tenderness, sensory meat quality results, and intramuscular fat all related. And also higher colour, which is red and saturation, and this means the vividness of the colour. And so low muscle density lambs are basically better for meat quality traits. So I'm working with KESS, and Innovis is my breeding sheep company, but I've also worked with all these other companies and organisations. So we have the abattoir, which is Jasper's, the Dalehead Foods, which is the processor supplying lamb for Waitrose. We have the universities involved as well, and also HCC, which is the Meat Levy Board of Wales. And yeah, so I've enjoyed, and we've done lots of networking and collaboration work with these institutes, and I've really enjoyed basically. So how is this going to impact my research? Well, it impacts the sheep farmer because he can then decide, is he going to go for the high muscling, which he gets paid on, and so you get a higher weight for his produce, or is he going to go for a supply chain effect, which you can therefore supply for a supermarket? And then this affects the abattoir, the food processor, the food retailer, and you, the consumer. And so either you get a larger quantity of lamb on your plate, or you get a tastier product. And this also enhances scientific knowledge in the industry. So thank you very much. My name's Eleri.